Mockingbird is happy to announce the support of the Nurse Licensure Compact on the Mockingbird platform. Now that the platform is able to support the NLC, your account may need some tidying up. To clean up your platform, first select your home state from the drop-down menu if you have not already done so. Once your home state is selected, click into your file cabinet and then the State Licenses tab. Here, you will see that the licenses on your platform are now labeled for you. You can now remove any RN license that is labeled with the NLC tag and is not your home state license. If you have a license in a state that is not participating in the NLC, it will not have a label and you will need to track both the RN and NP license for that state. For states participating in the NLC, all of the necessary requirements for your license renewals will now populate on your nurse practitioner state license card, which can be found on your dashboard. This will allow for you to see the most accurate, up-to-date license requirements and license information for your renewals. If you have any questions regarding the updates to the platform, please send us a message through the chat feature in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Thank you.